Hello folks, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to do a little ammo testing, kind of another viewer request. This time we're going to be testing out CCI standard velocity out of my Vudoo Gunworks rifle. So we'll start at 50 yards and then we'll head on out to 100 yards and see how it groups. It's a little bit of windy condition right now, so we'll do our best with what we have right now. All right, let's get going. All right, guys. So let's. I have a camera set at focusing at the 50-yard target. There's a bit of wind coming from my left, so I got a little bit of correction dialed in. I'm gonna go for the top left-hand target first off, just to kind of, one, season the barrel, and two, just to get on target. So let's see how this goes. Remember, we're going for a grouping, guys, and this right here is just a sider, just to see if we get on paper with this particular ammo. So top left-hand target seems to feed first round fed fine through this rifle. So let's see how this goes. Okay, seems to be good. I'm just gonna keep shooting at that top left-hand target since we know we're on paper. Again, we're going for a grouping, guys. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's looking good. The group is starting to look really come together here. Yeah. So 50 yards seems like this ammo has no problem. Seems to be cycling fine through this particular rifle. I may have overcorrected the windage a bit, but I don't know if you could see the dust going up in the back. It's kind of going up and down, kind of swirling. So I'm liking what I'm seeing in terms of 50-yard groupings. So guys, 10 rounds at 50 yards, pretty darn good. Let me get a screenshot with the target next to a quarter, and we'll go from there. And we'll just move on to the 100 yard. So far the ammo feeds fine, so let's move up to 100 yards. All right, guys, so I have the camera pointed at the 100 yard mark, and you'll see a little bit of mirage going on because it's pretty toasty out here right now. Usually at 100 yards I dial about 1.8, 1.9, so we'll do about 1.8, and let's see how she groups. We're going for the center bigger target, and again going for some groupings. We had some funny winds going at 100 yards. It's a little different than what I'm feeling over here. And when I look through the scope and see the mirage, it kind of goes straight up. So I'm hoping there isn't as much wind downrange. I will take out the windage. All right, here we go, guys. Again, we're going for a grouping. This is 100 yards. This is with CCI standard velocity. Here we go. Again, still seems to feed fine through this rifle. So here we go, first shot. Oh, not bad. Okay. Well. Looks like they're stacking in there. First 3 shots. Wind just picked up a little bit over there, but still that 4th shot landed in the same group. Wow. I think. Wow. Well, this could be another potential for alternative to the Pua Center X. Wow. I don't know what to say, guys. I'm actually surprised at how well that grouped at 100 yards. All right, so wow. Let me take a shot of the target next to a corner, but really surprised at how well that CCI standard velocity group. Well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hello, folks. Shh. Chubs. 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 Shh. Good boy.